Hi, welcome back. In today's menu, we have an amazing curry. Stay tuned. So today we're going to be making this Kerala style coconut and chickpea curry. We're going to be using black chickpeas for this to get that perfect authentic taste. This curry is delicious, it's nutritious, and it's one of my favorites. Of course, it's quick and easy to make as usual as well. Now, two reminders. Remember to watch the video right to the end for my pro tip, and you can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Pinterest. Let's get started. So first let's make the curry paste. For this, to a pan on medium heat, add 1 cup of fresh or desiccated coconut. Keep stir frying it till it turns slightly brown for about 2 to 3 minutes. Don't worry if it sticks to the bottom, and I will tell you why. Switch off the heat, add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon chili powder and 1 tablespoon coriander powder. Mix it through to warm the spices, and then add 1 large chopped tomato, and this tomato will help to deglaze the pan and remove all the brown bits that are stuck to the bottom. Keep the heat off. Keep mixing in total for about a minute and then let it cool. Transfer to a blender once cooled. To the curry paste mixture in the blender, add some water and blend it to a fine paste. As you can see, you get this fine, beautiful golden yellow paste. I'm using black chickpeas and water that I bought from our local supermarket. You can also get it from an Indian store, and they're called Kala Chana. We need about 2 cups of these black chickpeas, or you can just use 1 can. Make sure you thoroughly rinse the chickpeas to get rid of the aquafaba, which is the liquid around the chickpeas, and also the salt if there is any, to reduce bloating. To a pan on high heat, add 1 teaspoon oil. You can skip the oil if you want an oil-free version as well. Once warm, add some curry leaves. It will splutter as the water is released from it. To this, add 1 chopped medium-sized onion, and then add 1 heaped tablespoon of sliced garlic, roughly about 4 garlic cloves, and then 1 teaspoon of thinly sliced ginger. Add 3 mild green chilies, which are chopped into large pieces so that you can pick it off later if you don't want them. 3 small red chilies, followed by 1/8 teaspoon of asafoetida or hing, which will also help to reduce bloating when eating these chickpeas. Stir fry for 30 seconds and then add the blended curry paste. Keep the heat on low. Wash out the blender with 1/2 cup of water and add that as well. Add 1/2 cup of coconut chips. I didn't have any, so I'm adding some fresh shredded coconut. You can also use desiccated coconut. Let it come to a boil, then add 1 teaspoon of salt and give a mix. Add 2 cups of the thoroughly rinsed chickpeas, followed by 1.5 cups of water. Let the curry come to a boil. Once the curry comes to a boil, then reduce the heat, cover and cook for about 10 minutes. Our curry has been simmering now for about 10 minutes. I did check once in between to make sure it doesn't get stuck to the bottom. The reason we need to slowly simmer for 10 minutes is because it just helps all the flavors to blend together and give that incredible taste. Once the curry gets to your desired thickness, switch off the heat. Add a bunch of coriander leaves. I'm using scissors to cut my coriander leaves, and as you can see, I'm also using the stems because it gives a beautiful aroma and taste. I hear that. Those of you that hate coriander or has the coriander hating genes, you can use parsley or mint instead. Time to plate up. I'm going to serve the curry in a bowl on a platter so that people can help themselves. You can serve this curry with rice or any whole grain of your choice, bread, chapatti or naan. But I'm going to serve this with the traditional brown rice cakes with coconut. Do let me know in the comments below if you want the recipe for it. I've also got some side salad. That's personal choice. This makes for a delicious and nutritious and wholesome meal, whether it is breakfast, lunch or dinner or brunch. Enjoy! So I hope you enjoy making this Kerala style coconut chickpea curry and get transferred right to Kerala itself. Now in our pro tip today, we're going to be talking about garlic. Garlic is a herb with antimicrobial, antifungal, anti-cancer, blood pressure lowering and heart disease risk reducing properties. Now garlic is also rich in vitamins like B6 and C and minerals like manganese and selenium. It contains a lot of other minerals and of course fiber. Now, many of the perceived effects of garlic is from an active ingredient called allicin. Now, allicin is what gives the garlic its distinctive pungent odor, and it's released when we chop or cut our garlic. For maximum benefits, we need to leave our chopped or crushed garlic for at least 10 minutes before we actually cook to get the maximum production of allicin. But they say that for the best nutritional value, you should eat garlic raw. I am not sure about that. It's completely your choice. So go ahead and include garlic in your diet. That's it from me today. This is Vishwa signing off for Feed Your Body, Mind and Soul. Stay happy, stay healthy. Bye.